Here's a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive mentions the lockable floor console is large enough to hold a picnic lunch for a family of 4. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Experience it for yourself today.
Another reason to choose Bob Pulte Chevrolet. What's the Pulte price? It's my promise to you that we'll not lose your business because of price. We'll do everything in our power to let nothing stand between you and the new car or truck you're looking for.